Welcome to this exclusive training session, crafted to equip aspiring online entrepreneurs with essential knowledge and practical strategies. Today we'll explore the HPP or High Payout Partner Method, a dynamic approach designed to help you generate substantial income online. This method focuses on identifying high-reward opportunities in the digital marketplace, harnessing your skills and artificial intelligence, and building sustainable income streams. By the end of this session, you'll have a solid grasp of how to implement the HPP method in your own online ventures, paving your way to financial freedom. Let's embark on this thrilling journey together and unlock the immense potential within the online business world. The HPP method, which stands for High Payout Partner, is an innovative approach designed to help individuals generate income online with minimal effort with help of AI while maximizing results. At its core, the HPP method is about working smarter, not harder. It allows you to leverage existing resources, tools, AI, and strategies to create a sustainable income stream without the overwhelming grind that often accompanies traditional business models. This method is particularly appealing for those who may feel constrained by time or resources, as it provides a pathway to financial success that doesn't require constant hustle or exhaustive effort. The significance of the High Payout Partner method lies in its potential to transform lives. Many aspiring entrepreneurs dream of achieving financial independence, but the journey can often seem daunting. The HPP method simplifies this process by focusing on high-impact strategies that yield substantial results. By identifying and capitalizing on high-potential opportunities in the online marketplace, you can create a business model that not only generates income, but also allows for flexibility and freedom in your life. Imagine being able to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and enjoy the financial rewards of your efforts without sacrificing your personal life or well-being. This is the kind of life-changing potential that the HPP method offers. As we explore the intricacies of the HPP method, it's essential to recognize that knowledge alone is not enough. While we will provide you with valuable insights and strategies, the real power lies in your willingness to take action. The information shared during this training session is designed to equip you with the tools you need to succeed, but it's up to you to implement these strategies in your own life. We encourage you to embrace the principles of the High Payout Partner method and apply them to your unique circumstances. Whether you're just starting your online journey or looking to enhance your existing efforts, taking decisive action is crucial. The HPP method represents a lazy yet effective way to make money online, offering the potential for life-changing results. By focusing on high-potential opportunities and implementing the strategies we discuss, you can pave the way for a more fulfilling and financially rewarding future. So, as we move forward in this training session, keep in mind the importance of taking action. Your journey toward financial independence begins with the steps you take today. Let's dive deeper into the HPP method and explore how you can harness its power to transform your online business endeavors. The blueprint serves as a roadmap that outlines the steps you need to take to build a profitable online business. It encompasses everything from identifying your niche. Niche selection is one of the most important aspects of success with the High Payout Partner method, to creating a compelling value proposition that resonates with your target audience. This blueprint is not just a theoretical concept. It is a practical guide that you can follow to streamline your efforts and maximize your results. By adhering to this structured approach, you can avoid common pitfalls and focus on strategies that have been proven to work. The blueprint will help you understand the importance of setting clear goals, developing a solid business plan, and implementing effective marketing strategies that align with your vision. Moving on to the second secret, we will highlight the critical importance of finding the right products to promote. In the vast online marketplace, the products you choose to promote can make or break your success. It's essential to select products that not only align with your interests and expertise, but also have a proven demand in the market. We will discuss various methods for conducting market research to identify high-potential products that resonate with your audience. This includes analyzing trends, understanding customer needs, and evaluating competition. By choosing the right products, you can significantly increase your chances of generating sales and building a loyal customer base. In the realm of online entrepreneurship, one of the most lucrative avenues to explore is the concept of high payout partner products. These products are typically digital offerings that provide substantial commissions to affiliates who promote them. High payout partner products can include anything from online courses and ebooks to software subscriptions and membership sites. The potential for generating income through these products is significant, as they often come with higher commission rates compared to physical products, allowing you to maximize your earnings with each sale. The appeal of high payout partner products lies in their ability to deliver value to both the seller and the affiliate. For the seller, these products often have lower overhead costs since they are digital in nature, meaning they can be produced and distributed without the need for physical inventory. This allows sellers to offer attractive commission structures to affiliates, incentivizing them to promote the products effectively. For affiliates, this translates into the opportunity to earn substantial income without the complexities associated with traditional retail models. One of the primary advantages of promoting digital products over traditional methods is the scalability they offer. With digital products, you can reach a global audience without the limitations of geographical boundaries. This means that your marketing efforts can yield results from customers all over the world, significantly increasing your potential customer base. Additionally, digital products can be sold repeatedly without the need for restocking or managing inventory, allowing you to generate passive income over time. Once you set up your promotional strategies, you can continue to earn commissions on sales without having to invest additional time or resources into each transaction. As we delve deeper into the first secret regarding the best way to make money online, it's essential to understand the foundational elements that can set you on the path to success. One of the most critical aspects of building a profitable online business is niche selection and product promotion. Choosing the right niche is not just about picking a topic that interests you, it's about identifying a market that has demand, where you can provide value and stand out from the competition. Niche selection is crucial because it defines your target audience and shapes your content strategy. A well-defined niche allows you to tailor your messaging and offerings to meet the specific needs and preferences of your audience. For instance, if you choose a niche like health and wellness, you can focus on sub-niches such as fitness, nutrition, or mental health. This specificity helps you attract a dedicated audience that is genuinely interested in what you have to offer, increasing your chances of converting them into customers. Once you have selected your niche, the next step is product promotion. This involves identifying high-quality products that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. For example, if you are in the fitness niche, you might promote workout programs, nutritional supplements, or fitness equipment. The key is to choose products that you believe in and that provide real value to your audience. When you promote products that you genuinely endorse, it builds trust and credibility, which are essential for long-term success. To illustrate the income potential of niche selection and product promotion, let's look at some successful channels that have effectively leveraged these strategies. Take, for example, a YouTube channel focused on personal finance. By providing valuable content on budgeting, investing, and saving money, the creator can attract a dedicated audience interested in improving their financial literacy. Through affiliate marketing, they can promote financial products such as budgeting apps, investment platforms, or online courses, earning significant commissions with each sale. Channels like these can generate thousands of dollars per month, showcasing the potential of combining niche selection with effective product promotion. Another example is a vlog dedicated to travel. By sharing travel tips, destination guides, and personal experiences, the vlogger can build a loyal following. They can then promote travel-related products such as travel gear, booking services, or travel insurance, earning income through affiliate partnerships. Successful travel vloggers often earn substantial income through sponsored posts and collaborations with brands, further highlighting the financial opportunities available in well-chosen niches. While it's tempting to focus on ad revenue as a primary income source, I encourage you to shift your mindset toward creating value-driven content. Ad revenue can be unpredictable and often requires a significant amount of traffic to generate meaningful income. Instead, prioritize building a relationship with your audience by providing valuable, informative, and engaging content. When you focus on delivering value, you not only establish yourself as an authority in your niche, but also create opportunities for monetization through product promotions, affiliate marketing, and even your own digital products. As we delve into the third secret related to driving traffic to products, it's essential to understand that traffic generation is a critical component of any successful online business. Without traffic, even the best products will struggle to gain visibility and generate sales. One of the most effective strategies for driving traffic is through the creation of a pillar video, which serves as a cornerstone of your content marketing efforts. Let's explore the concept of a pillar video, its role in traffic generation, and how you can leverage it effectively to boost your online presence. A pillar video is a comprehensive, high-quality piece of content that addresses a specific topic within your niche. It is designed to provide significant value to your audience, answering their questions, solving their problems, or educating them on a particular subject. The goal of a pillar video is not only to attract viewers, but also to establish you as an authority in your niche. This type of content is typically longer and more in-depth than standard videos, often ranging from 10 to 30 minutes or more, depending on the complexity of the topic. The role of a pillar video in traffic generation is multifaceted. First and foremost, it serves as a central hub for your content strategy. Once you create a pillar video, you can use it to drive traffic to various related products, services, or affiliate links. By embedding links in the video description or within the video itself, you can direct viewers to the products you are promoting, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Additionally, a well-crafted pillar video can attract organic traffic through search engines and social media, further expanding your reach. However, creating a pillar video is just one part of the equation. To maximize its effectiveness, you need to implement a strategy that includes feeder content. Feeder content consists of shorter, related videos or posts that lead viewers to your pillar video. These pieces of content can cover specific aspects of the topic addressed in your pillar video, providing bite-sized information that piques interest and encourages viewers to seek out the more comprehensive content. The importance of feeder content lies in its ability to create a funnel that directs traffic to your pillar video. All of this can be done with the help of AI. By producing multiple pieces of feeder content with the help of AI, you can attract a wider audience and guide them toward your main video. This approach not only enhances your visibility, but also increases the chances of viewers engaging with your pillar video, and subsequently, the products you are promoting. Now let's discuss strategies for leveraging YouTube's algorithm to improve the visibility of your pillar video. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and understanding how its algorithm works can significantly impact your traffic generation efforts. Here are some key strategies to consider. 1. Keyword research. Before creating your pillar video, conduct thorough keyword research to identify relevant keywords and phrases that your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeMagic, or VidiQ to find high-volume keywords with low competition. Incorporate these keywords into your video title, description, and tags to enhance discoverability using AI. 2. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Your video's thumbnail and title are the first things viewers see, so make them compelling. Create eye-catching thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your video and use titles that spark curiosity or address a specific problem. A well-crafted title can significantly increase your click-through rate, driving more traffic to your video. 3. Optimize video descriptions. Your video description is an opportunity to provide additional context and information about your content. Include relevant keywords, a brief summary of the video, and links to your pillar video and related products. This not only helps with SEO but also encourages viewers to explore more of your content. 4. Encourage engagement. Engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares play a crucial role in how YouTube ranks videos. Encourage viewers to engage with your content by asking questions, prompting them to leave comments, and inviting them to share the video. The more engagement your video receives, the more likely it is to be promoted by YouTube's algorithm. 5. Utilize playlists. Organizing your videos into playlists can enhance viewer retention and increase watch time, both of which are important factors for YouTube's algorithm. Create playlists that group your feeder content and pillar video together, making it easy for viewers to binge-watch related content and stay engaged with your channel. 6. Promote on social media. Don't rely solely on YouTube for traffic. Share your pillar video and feeder content across your social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Engage with your followers, join relevant groups, and participate in discussions to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel. 7. Collaborate with other creators. Partnering with other content creators in your niche can expose your channel to new audiences. Consider collaborating on videos, guest appearances, or shoutouts to leverage each other's audiences and drive traffic to your pillar video. In conclusion, the third secret to driving traffic to products revolves around the strategic use of pillar videos and feeder content. By creating a comprehensive pillar video that provides value to your audience, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche and direct traffic to the products you promote. Additionally, implementing feeder content helps funnel viewers to your pillar video, enhancing your overall visibility. To maximize the effectiveness of your pillar video, leverage YouTube's algorithm through keyword research, engaging thumbnails and titles, optimized descriptions, and encouraging viewer engagement. By utilizing these strategies, you can significantly increase your chances of driving traffic to your products and achieving your online business goals. As we wrap up this training session, I want to take a moment to encourage each of you to take action based on the valuable insights and strategies we've discussed today. The journey to becoming a successful online entrepreneur is not just about acquiring knowledge, it's about applying that knowledge and making proactive decisions that will propel you toward your goals. One of the most effective ways to continue your learning and growth is by joining the High Payout Partner Program, which can provide you with the resources, support, and community you need to thrive in the online business landscape. By joining the High Payout Partner Program, you gain access to a wealth of information and tools that can help you navigate the complexities of affiliate marketing and product promotion, and has a 30-day money-back guarantee. These programs often offer comprehensive training materials, webinars, and mentorship opportunities that can deepen your understanding of effective strategies for generating income online. You'll learn not only about the products you can promote, but also about the best practices for marketing them, driving traffic, and converting leads into sales. This ongoing education is invaluable as you work to build and scale your online business. Thank you for being part of this training session. I am excited to see the progress you will make as you apply these insights and strategies. Let's continue to learn, grow, and succeed together in the world of online entrepreneurship. Your journey starts now, and I can't wait to see where it takes you.